Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the Gemini feature where it's basically integrated with the S25 Ultra. So you can basically add anything to Samsung Notes. So the Google Gemini AI is basically built into your S25 Ultra, meaning you can take the AI generated text, summaries, explanations, ideas, and send it straight into Samsung Note with a tap. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. Now next we can go ahead and ask it a question. So say for example, I want to research about eye surgeries. So I'll go ahead and ask Gemini for eye surgery recommendation, and then I'll go ahead and ask it to add it to my Samsung Note. Can you please research about eye surgery and add it to my Samsung Note? So as you can see, it has now researched about eye surgery. And if I go ahead and tap on Samsung Note, I can see that it has added that note to my Samsung Note. So as you can see, it's added there. So like this, it basically transforms your Note app into a supercharged productivity tool. So whether you're a student summarizing lectures, a professional collecting research, or a creator jotting down notes, you can basically instantly capture, organize, and expand on them without switching apps. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Gemini, which is integrated with the S25 Ultra, to add anything to Samsung Notes.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.